Jai Sriman
Lakshmana, you go ahead and get Vasishtha Maharshi's son Suyajna. Get Suyajna here. Let us worship him. Let us worship all the other acharyas. And then let us start from here. When Rama said like this, Lakshmana immediately went to Suyajna's house. At that time, Vasishtha Maharshi's son Suyajna was doing Havan. Lakshmana says, "Oh Maharshi, Ramachandra Swami is now about to leave to Aranyavasam. He is requesting you to get there so that he would do puja to you, he would worship you and take your permission, take your blessing." When Suyajna heard that news, he immediately started from there and Suyajna came to Sita Ramachandra Swami. Now Rama, along with Sita Devi, doing namaskaram to Suyajna and doing parikrama to Suyajna and also donating things to all other acharyas and doing namaskaram to all of them. Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami, they are doing pradakshina to Suyajna, who is the son of Vasishtha Maharshi. And now they are giving so many gifts and they are giving so many donations to Suyajna. Rama gave beautiful ornaments to Suyajna and now asking Suyajna, Sita is going to give her own ornaments. So you please take those ornaments and give it to your wife. Like that, Rama gave so many things to Suyajna and now going to have Lakshmana do all that generous activities. Rama is asking Lakshmana, you go ahead and donate so many cows and so much of wealth to Agastya Mahamuni, Vishwamitra Mahamuni, and make sure they are very much satisfied. Oh Lakshmana, there are some of the great scholars who always will be chanting one of the branches from our Vedas, which is known as Taittiriya Shakha. There are so many scholars who chants that part of branch of our Vedas, and they always respects our mom Kausalya Devi. They always blesses Kausalya Mata. Now, Lakshmana, you go ahead and make sure all those scholars, all those Veda Pandits are satisfied. You donate everything, so many things to them so that they will be very much satisfied. Lakshmana, there is a Brahmana called Chitraratha who is very much close to our father Dasharatha Maharaju. Make sure he is also honored very well. Oh Lakshmana, there are so many Veda Pandits, so many Brahmacharis, so many Acharya Purushas. All of them, they are always involved in teachings, spreading Vedic, our tenets. So they never get a chance, they never get enough time to gain for them, earn for them. So that is why we have to take care of them. You go ahead and make a very good amount of donations to all of them and satisfy all of them. Oh Sumitra Nandana Lakshmana, look at that. There are so many brahmacharis came to our mom, our mother Kausalya Devi. Give them to each and every one of them thousands of cows to all those brahmacharis. Like that, Ramachandra Swami instructing our Lakshmana. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.